it is important to locate your MA hardware bag. After the carriages are placed on the track, there should be holes facing the front of the system to join the MA mechanism to the carriage. Remove the cover on the MA unit by loosening bolts on top and the bottom of the two sides. Place the MA unit with sprocket in chain and back of unit against carriage channel. Attach unit through bottom holes with 2 1/4" by 3/4" hex bolts and 2 1/4" split lock washers and 2 flat washers. Please note, lock washers must be installed under the head of bolt so that the bolts do not loosen. After the shelving is installed, make sure it is fully up against the front of the carriage. The top of the MA will need to be secured to the shelving for stability. Mark the location of the top holes and drill the holes through the facing of the shelving. Place the mechanical assist support inside the shelving upright. Attach the tip with 1/4" by 3/4" bolts through the face of the shelving and MA unit and attach with 1/4" washers and lock nuts. Please note, the MA support is provided and used on the inside of the shelving when fastening the top of the MA for a stability factor. The need for this depends on the shelving being used. Secure the handle with the screw provided through the hole in the middle of the